Top 10 Gym Social Media Ideas. 1. Promote your audience, not your brand. People love to share social media posts that make them look good. So help them look good. Promote their stories, successes, and achievements, anything that makes them look smart, successful, funny, or helpful. 2. Use lead magnets. Lead magnets are a great way to capture email addresses and grow your client list. 3. Run competitions. Running a social media contest can be a powerful way to generate leads. 4. Drive referrals. Referrals tap into the holy grail of marketing, word of mouth. There's nothing people trust more than a recommendation from a friend. 5. Pay to play. Investing in advertising will multiply the reach and impact of anything you promote. It's incredibly effective, since you're able to target your ideal client very precisely. 6. Celebrate member achievements. A great way to make your content less self-promotional is to switch the spotlight onto your members. Promote their stories, successes, and achievements, anything that makes them look good. 7. Encourage interaction. To encourage a two-way conversation, post open questions that require more than yes/no answers. 8. Support their journey. Creating posts on correct exercise technique, nutritional tips, or answering FAQs can all help your members achieve their goals faster. 9. Provide exclusive content. Another way to encourage loyalty is to make your followers feel part of something exclusive. 10. Invite feedback and act on it. Quick polls and surveys are a great way to invite feedback and encourage more two-way interaction.